Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show how to make a Game Pass in PLS Donate on mobile 2026 iPhone and Android. Open the Roblox app on your phone. From the bottom menu, tap More to open extra options. Select Create to access your Roblox creations. Tap the three lines in the top corner and open Creations. Choose the place or game where you want to add your Game Pass. Once the game loads, tap the three lines again. Select Monetization from the menu options. Tap Passes to manage or create Game Passes. Select Create a Pass to make a new donation pass. Enter a name for your pass and add an image or description if you want. After filling in the details, tap Create Pass. Open the newly created pass from the list. Tap the three lines again and select Sales. Turn on the Item for Sale option so other players can buy it. Enter the amount of Robux you want to charge for the pass. Tap Save Changes to apply your settings. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.